I'm Ben Cosgrove, I'm a Senior Project Coordinator at ARRMA RC, and this is the KRATON 8S. In the KRATON 8S we have two battery trays. We run two 4S LiPo batteries. We've made the battery trays adjustable. They are slidable in 5mm increments. The box starts at 140mm and goes all the way up to 180mm. To adjust your battery tray, you need to turn the car over and you need to go to the back two screws on both sides. Just loosen them off slightly. Turn the car back over, and now you'll be able to hear the clicking movement of the ratchet. Every one click is 5mm on the tray. We have the forward position screws and the rear position screws. So as standard, the battery tray is 140mm, all the way back is 160, and then in the rearward holes for the screws you have 160 to 180mm. The battery tray is 140mm out of the box, which nicely fits the Spectrum batteries that we have been using in a lot of our testing. I'll show you how to install them. You'll need to loosen the hook and loop battery straps slightly. And you take each pack one at a time. You install in the car. Install them both in. Once they're installed, you need to tighten the battery strap. You pull those nice and tight. Do the same on the other side. Okay. Now they will have a little bit of movement in there. That's absolutely fine. They're not going to come out. They're very strong. So once your battery straps are tight, we then have the battery wire retention system. I'll show you in detail. On this side we have the main power cable clip, and this side we have the balance cable clip. So I'll plug them in for you. Plug the IC5 connectors in, as so. Then you want to route the battery cable through this side and through this side. You have to bear with it, sometimes it's a little bit tricky. So here we have the main power connectors all in, nice and strong, batteries in. And now the balance cables, I'll show in detail again. So they go under here, which is quite tricky to see. Again, just have to be a little bit careful, all the wires are different. That's under there. This one should be a bit easier because they're all flat. So here we have the battery wire retention system. I hope you found this video useful. If you'd like to learn more about the KRATON 8S, then check out the links in the description box below. See you next time.
ARRMA RC. Designed fast, designed tough.